Hi, my name is Skylar, and welcome to our platform. Whether you are a medical student, a healthcare professional, or someone trying to stay curious, you are in the right place.
This channel is built for clarity. We break down complex medical topics from immunology to infectious diseases using visuals, storytelling, and step by step guides that actually make sense. Every diagram, every script, every animation is designed with you in mind. Whether you are preparing for exams, teaching others, or just trying to stay curious, we've got you. And it's not just about videos. We are building a community. Join our WhatsApp and YouTube groups to share feedback, ask questions, and help shape what comes next.
Today is just the beginning. I'll be posting new content every week, infographics, scenario breakdowns, wellness tips, and more. So hit that subscribe button, drop a comment, and let me know what you want to see next.